priceless. People are letting me into their lives, and actually I see that as a privilege. Noticing people when they are in a place where they are struggling, and then coming out and they're really spreading the wings. And again, you're in a privileged situation where you're watching that positive change happening, and that people are actually relying on their own strengths. They're relying on their own network and resources, and you're just there to give them a bit of a gentle push in the right direction. Many times I've been driving back to the office or back home with a gleaming smile on my face, because I've actually observed a family reach the goal and maintain that goal, and just everybody seems that much happier. Priceless.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. conwy.gov.uk/swyddi